Think about it. Just like when we thought about the consumer's problem, there were two approaches. There was this Marshallian view of the world. That was one way to think about describing consumer choice. And there was this Hicksian view of the world, which is another way of describing consumer choice. And which one I could use either one to get an answer to just about any question. It's just one of them's easy for some questions and the other one's easy for other questions. Same is true in production theory when I want to think about a cost function approach and a production function approach. They both are fully capable of answering the same questions. It's just sometimes it's easier to look at the world one way and sometimes it's easier to look at it the other way. Okay? Sometimes neither one of them works very well because you're interested in an experiment that's pretty far away from either of those pure ones, right? Because the cost function experiment, the experiment the cost function is well set up to do is how do I respond holding fixed the prices of all these other inputs, right? That's what the cost function does. If I want to know how does good I respond to the price of Wj holding the price of all other inputs constant, well, that's an easy answer. That's just Cij. That's it. That's all there is, right? On the other hand, if I want to know how does good I respond to a change in the price of price I holding constant all the other inputs, well, that's what this equation set out to do. Because all I have to do is invert that equation and I'm done. You know, so that they're just different tools. They're different perspectives on the same problem.